because I finally get out of the box.
You have a solo?
My solo is called Leave the Light On. Miss Abby said that the story is like when it's just dark light.
Now that I know. I don't care what anybody says. It's my studio. It's my company.
Jim is completely age inappropriate.
That for our group dance, Private Eyes, we were gonna use plastic guns. And then she said we were gonna blow the competition away. And I really hope she doesn't mean literally, because we could get disqualified. Winning means a lot to me because it feels really good and it feels like, ooh, yay.
Daughter Chloe, who is 9.
Yes, I am.